साहब, शुक्रिया हाशमी साहब। मैं कल ही ह्यूस्टन पहुंची, पहली दफ़ा आई हूँ ह्यूस्टन, और थोड़ा सा था मालूम नहीं कहाँ है होटल वगैरह, and I was so warmly received by Shamim and Rehman Patel. Thank you so much. It feels I've been here for a long time, and with the friendship and warmth, हमारे इमरान भाई, we've exchanged so much learning, even music, and showing me. So सब तहे दिल से आपका शुक्रिया for inviting me and the play, and it feels like a family in one day that we've exchanged so much thoughts and feelings, and somehow poetry and literature brings the best out of all of us, and so we couldn't be more thankful for you, and I wish you all the best. This is the first year, and may this continue for at least 100 years. तहे दिल से शुक्रिया है आपका और आपकी पूरी टीम का। मैंने इतना खाना खा लिया एक दिन में, enough for a month. So thank you, and I wish you all the very best. So today we are going to see a film. I sincerely regret Dr. Akbar Ahmed is not able to be with us. I had planned we were going to travel together and be on this panel, etc. Dr. Ahmed is the professor at American University in Washington, D.C. Much, much more than that. He is a playwright, a scholar, speaker, and he was given the Peace Award from the Gandhi Memorial Center in Washington, D.C. And a few years later, I was given the same award. So how did I connect with Dr. Ahmed? One night he called me around 9 o'clock and said, I've heard you direct plays and all. I've written a new play, The Trial of Dara Shikoh. And just the name perked my interest. I read it overnight, and I called him back the next morning and said, we have to do this. It was Ishan Violet. We sat with him. So to reduce the 2-hour film to 1 hour. So you're really going to see it in a very choppy version, because we want to have a discussion, and I want to know from your end what you think about it. And so this is what we are really, really grateful and happy to be here to share this message with you. Thank you.
If a Muslim uses a Hindu's utensils, the Hindu must destroy the polluted utensils. When people are so different, Mr. Gandhi, they cannot be forced to live together.
I am aware of the dangers of an imperfect democracy, and that is why safeguards are put in place so that the majority does not exploit the minority. Besides, Mr. Jinnah, in your Pakistan, what is the guarantee that the minority Hindu will be safe?
I will guarantee that Hindus in Pakistan will be safe.
Thanks to our excellent Navy and brave soldiers.
Oh, Maki Surat ho Khudaya meri.
Oh, Clenny, the glories of our language and the nobility of our people. I feel so grateful for having been born. Thanks to our excellent Navy and brave soldiers.
Oh,
Ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much for attending this first ever Pakistan Literature Festival, और मुज़फ़्फ़र हाशमी और उनकी सारी टीम को बहुत ज़्यादा मुबारकबाद। और डेफिनेटली इस तरह की अदबी और लिटरेरी फेस्टिवल जो है वो होती रहनी चाहिए। ये ह्यूस्टन का एक खासा है, और जितनी मशहूर शख्सियात को मैं आज यहाँ पे देख रहा हूँ, ये इस बात की दलील है कि ये कम्युनिटी, ये ग्रुप ऑफ लोग जो हैं ये बहुत ज़्यादा अपनी तहजीब से मोहब्बत और प्यार रखते हैं। इक्वली इम्पॉर्टेंट कि आज मेरे साथ दो अजीज़ मेहमान जो मेरे इस वीकेंड पे दोस्त भी बन गए हैं वो भी मौजूद हैं, और जो प्ले आपने अभी देखा तो उसके बारे में हम थोड़ी सी गुफ्तगू करेंगे। आप सबके भी क्वेश्चंस लेंगे। आई एम श्योर ये टॉपिक ऐसा है कि इसके बगैर आई थिंक आवाम के बगैर ये टॉपिक अधूरा है
आज और कल के लिए।
बिल्कुल 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 बिल्कुल। तो मैं शुरू करना चाहता हूँ डीसी में, चूँकि वहाँ से आप आई हैं, एंड द साउथ एशियन डायस्पोरा इन डीसी which you have worked so closely now for the past so many years. What were some of the challenges in finding the talent, in finding the artisans for putting this show together?
Well, TC is really a very multicultural city, but for a director, the hardest task is finding the right cast. And especially when these are not fictitious characters, they're historical, iconic figures. So yes, this was very challenging. But Farhan Kaba plays Jinnah. The moment I saw him, I said, "ये हमारे जिन्ना है, ये हमारे जिन्ना है." लेकिन सिर्फ देखने से तो नहीं, उनको कितनी मेहनत करनी पड़ी जिन्ना की, वो यूट्यूब्स देख के उनकी इंटोनेशन ला के। So just and then Gandhi ji, I mean, I said, "Hey, आपको अपने बाहर really ये नहीं कर सकते नहीं." So casting is really critical for the end product, but it's a lot of hard work. It's not just going on the stage. Again, I'm repeating, for characters in history, and that had to be put on the stage. So, but the effort over there is to bring people. As we were rehearsing, we all discussed for nights and nights. We learned more about the history, more about the characters. The other person I had difficulty was whenever I would mention Fatima Jinnah, not many even women knew much about her. And that was one thing I insisted with my bhaijan, Akbar Ahmed. We must bring out the gender issues. Not much is known about the contribution of Fatima Jinnah or Kasturba Gandhi. She was always walking behind Gandhi ji. And so those two scenes mean a lot to me. And you know, when she's making halwa and all, but that is not to be looked down upon. You know, just because the wife is making halwa and you know they are talking about saris is not derogatory. You know, so I wanted to bring out that whole, the feminine issue, and yet they were very strong women who made major contributions to history, culture, and the very identity issues.
Thank you very much. मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा कि today we are here and we have a very special play by Dr. Akbar, very good friend of us, and especially I am very happy with हमारी दोस्त मंजुला कुमार, जिन्होंने you know how she has directed the play. और ये मुझे बहुत अच्छा ये लगा कि how we have correlate, कि हमारी जो binary हमारी configuration बनती है when we are here and when we are in our own countries. This is very important, because we are living in a global village. We should not forget it now, कि हम एक global village में रहते हैं. When we are in a global village, तो हमारी boundaries को, हम यहाँ पर अपनी सारी feelings को अलग होके हम चीज़ produce करते हैं. Peace. अपने region में, अपने अंदर और अपने बाहर. How you felt that? Your characters were here, but the philosophy of peace, how you develop that, how you correct अपने characters में, how you develop that, the philosophy.
So firstly, of course, the material was given to me, and the credit goes to Akbar Ahmed, that he has written such an amazingly, beautifully, remarkably well balanced play. You know, and then of course the final, and the reason for doing this play is the final act, the message. And as I said, while we were reading, while we were rehearsing, you're thinking about that message of peace. And as I said, it's not just India, Pakistan, it's not all of us
Yeah.
living in the United States, but it's beyond. And the whole question of nuclear power, you know. In the world, what's more important? You know, the coming together of people, the living together, and common values, universal values. And that's how you want to give the message of peace. And then, you know, little music helped. I think I am very happy with the opening. Ki Ishwar Allah Tero Naam, you know, so the coming together and crisscrossing of the women. So
Yeah.
one scene, I think we had to cut
Yeah.
it out. Ki wo ये गाती हुई यहाँ से जा रही है, means you understand that side and you accept that side and you change over.
Okay, yeah, thank you very much. लेकिन हम शायद, I think so we should have the questions from the audience too.
Absolutely.
Because peace itself is a very always needed to human being, because we have to have the ethic and morality with us. Humanity में सबसे पहली चीज़ ये है. How much हम कितने भी develop हो जाएं, हमारे पास अगर morality नहीं है तो we have nothing with us. हमारे पास ethics नहीं है, we have nothing. क्योंकि culture का सबसे जो मेन चीज़ है वो हमारी sensitivity with our religion जो सबसे ज़्यादा होता है, and how we misuse the religion, that's very important. So हम अपने audience से questions भी ले लेते हैं.
बिल्कुल, अगर आपने हम दोनों पे छोड़ दिया तो हम तो we can keep on going.
Yes, one point that you said of
Yeah.
religion, I think
Yeah.
the play really endorses and enforces very strongly that the commonality of religion.
Yeah.
All religions go to one point,
Yeah.
and that point is peace, love, harmony, tolerance,
Yeah.
whatever positive words you want to give.
Right.
Yeah.
Right.
So
Yeah.
जी.
My question is to Manju. My name is Majid Akhtar. You mentioned that you had taken care of, keep away from all the prejudices and look at the actual history, which was very, very important because it's a very, how to say, very sensitive subject. But do you still face the accusation that, hey, you were biased and all that?
So again, I was given the material by Dr. Ahmed, and this whole thing, as I said in the opening, history, yes, we are talking about history of 75 years. What about millennia? And we are still discussing Mughal history, and you know, the Greeks and the Romans are still talking about history. So history also is interpretive, and again, I think Akbar Ahmed wanted to show not just his, कि अभी तक हम लोग कह रहे हैं जिन्ना साहब ने ये किया था, you know, गांधी जी, but the play has kept it as a very balanced depiction of that period. In fact, I had a very challenging time with Churchill. हमने काफ़ी जो edit किया है, 3 लोग चर्चिल को रेसिस्ट बोलते हैं, गालियाँ निकालते हैं, और अभी हम लंदन जा रहे हैं, लंदन यूनिवर्सिटी में दिखाने जा रहे हैं. So history, I think, has to be seen objectively. That's very, very important, and therefore you can see another point of view. Not facts can't be changed that this happened, but the interpretation side of it is the depiction side. And that can be, see, drama has a very interesting, you know, there's the playwright, then there's the director, I work with the actors, and then there's the audience. You know, it's going round, and there are so many interpretations. Out of one play, each one of you might see it slightly differently. The importance might be different. You know, कि acting में था, कौन से character में ये क्यों था, वैसे क्यों था. So that's what makes all of art. When you see a painting, it's very interpretive, and that's what makes it very exciting.
One of the things that I always wanted to know, कि you played this theatre in Karachi Festival as well. So let alone कि हम पाकिस्तानी जिना के बारे में क्या सोचते हैं, पर इस थिएटर का वहाँ पे क्या रिएक्शन आया, कुछ उसके बारे में बताएंगे?
See, the Karachi Literature Festival invited our film in February, and that was just about the elections time. And I have to share this very honestly with you. Everybody in Washington told me, "Mat jao, it's not safe, it's not safe." Lekin mujhe jana tha, why not safe? And believe me, I was utterly amazed. We had 600 people come to see the film. And it was our initial. I was very nervous about the screening. दूर जा रही हूँ, मुझे बिल्कुल मालूम नहीं है, पहला मर्तबा था कराची में, और लेकिन वहाँ पहुँचते I was one of the family, and they gave me, लेकिन मेरे वॉशिंगटन दोस्त कहते हैं हाँ कौन सी कराची गई थी तुम? I said भाई जो भी कुछ था, my experience is just amazing. The reaction to the film, I was waiting for a lot of critical comments. I really did. कि ये क्यों ऐसे क्यों, and I did not get a single critical, बल्कि लोगों ने बहुत पसंद किया, and I was feeling positive after that.
I think Manjula, it was the cause, what we have behind the play. That's very important. Everybody needs is the peace in the world, not only in the world, in the universe and the multiverse. So, हमें आज की दुनिया में we have the problems with all these. तो हम टेक्नोलॉजी की दुनिया में रह रहे हैं, हमें उसके साथ कोरिलेट भी करना है पीस को. How technology is opening the doors for the peace of what?
I always say that all art, and my work has been for so many years, to use art, especially drama, for the educational aspect of it. So we did a staging of the play at the Montgomery College in Maryland. And one of the professors came up and asked me, the poem that, what language was that? मेरी अंग्रेजी का समझ आ गया, so I said Urdu. उसी वक्त उन्होंने फैज़ अहमद फैज़ का नाम लिया कि अब मैं अपनी क्लास में, he was an English professor, that I am going to teach a unit on fairs. I mean, that really is what we are. And I think I have a colleague here, Pino, who's Italian, and saw the play very differently. And at one point he says, that little bit of poetry adds to it. I said, samajh to aani nahi. So I was wondering how you all felt about the inclusion. To me, it was giving a poetic platform to otherwise very serious theme of the
and brilliant performance by Ali Shoaib also.
Yeah, Ali Shoaib. Actually, this was his idea. And I give it to him.
Wonderful. इतना ज़्यादा मटेरियल है, इतने सारे टॉपिक्स हैं और टाइम हमारे पास कम है. आई थिंक अगर इस कमरे में कोई दुश्मन नहीं है तो वक्त हमारा दुश्मन है. तो बहुत सारी चीज़ें हैं. अगर कुछ रह गया है, आप में कोई तशनीकी बाकी है?
I'm sorry, but I would like to add or extend my question. Now coming to today, you covered the history. Now coming to today, we witness after 75 years, unfortunately, a very horrible wave of religious extremism in both the countries. How do you look at it and how do you want to address it?
I want them to come and see the play.
That's it.
Education.
Education.
And when we use other words, it's awareness, bringing attention, bringing education, and also it's by example. And I think if you turn to anybody and tell me, your religion doesn't teach you this, if you become aware of your own religion, saying non-violence, no war, only peace, then you can address, somebody else's religion.
Manjula, I can add one thing in it too. ये said लेकिन मैं उनकी एक बात के उसको फिनिश कर लूँ, क्योंकि हम चाहते ये हैं कि हम जब तक बात करते रहेंगे, लिखते रहेंगे, हम जब तक लिखते रहेंगे, बात करते रहेंगे, तो बात यूँ बढ़ती रहेगी. तो हमें इसके लिए बात करते रहना चाहिए. जो भी हमारी प्रॉब्लम्स हो रिलीजियस जिसमें जो भी है उसके लिए वी हैव टू कीप ऑन टॉकिंग एंड एडिंग एंड एक्टिंग टू दैट्स राइट जी
So, thank you very much.
ही हैज अ क्वेश्चन
When are you planning to show this movie in India?
February.
Okay. Thank you very much, Kamal. And thank you, everybody. Thank you.
Thank you, Shahid. Thank you, Meena. Thank you, Manjula Kumar, for coming over here.